It is funny.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, stop laughing. You shouldn't be so laughing. Why are you laughing? Stop playing around.
I'm not doing anything. Oh my god.
You're fucking around my voice. You're fucking around my voice. I know you are. I know you're right.
I'm telling you, change the settings on your computer.
My settings already changed.
Obviously they're not if you're still like sounding like a little kid or girl or midget or whatever.
Is that funny too? What's up? This is fucked up. Stop laughing at me.
What you gonna do? Yo, I'm so gonna put this on YouTube. Like, seriously.
Not what you doing now?
Yeah.
You serious?
This voice is hilarious. Just listen to it.
Can you put on YouTube?
Yeah.
Huh?
Because I'm recording it on my phone. That's why I hung up.
Oh, you asshole. This is not funny.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Look at you.
This shit.
Oh my god.
I'm really trying to find a way to see this shit.
And this is what makes it so much fun.